What's up, everybody? Rudy here. Today we're down here at Universal Studios Hollywood to celebrate Mega Movie Summer. And I haven't been here in a while, so we're just going to see what's new: construction, merch, food, anything we can get ourselves into. So you guys ready to have some fun? Okay, scene 6, take 13, roll 25. Action. It's currently like about 1 o'clock, and honestly, the crowds, parking lot was full for sure, but the crowds aren't looking too crazy right now. So let's go check out the wait times. Being that it's 1 p.m. on July 8th, these wait times: 45 minutes for Harry Potter, studio tour 40 minutes, Mario Kart 85 minutes, 60 minutes on an 85-degree day for Jurassic World. It is not busy today. Construction update. Fast and the Furious Hollywood Drift is progressing very quickly. They've already done a full facade on the outside of the queue and the loading area for the coaster. Meant to look like Toretto's garage. Let's go to the overlook real quick. The track has been fully complete now, and they were even testing vehicles on here at one point. But whoa, it's hard to. I mean, they say this is going to be done in 2026, but it looks like it's almost done now. So I guess at this point it's just making sure it's safe for the most part. But yeah, this thing is going to be pretty incredible. Oh, there's a vehicle right there, actually. Right there. Speaking of vehicles, check this out. Y'all better be ready to ride right here. This is the first reveal of one of possibly maybe 3 of the ride vehicles for the ride, which completely rotate 360 degrees. Basically replicas of, this is a replica of Toretto's Charger, but there's at least, I think, 2 or 3 other cars from the ride, or from the movie. But this thing's fully detailed out. The lights work. Look, it's got the blower coming out the top of the hood. Speakers in the seats. It's got an exhaust on the back here. This ride is going to be the fastest ride that Universal has on its roster at 72 miles an hour top speed. It's actually pretty exciting stuff. Never pass up an opportunity to film a time machine. This is actually like a little leftover from FanFest with Einstein there, photo op. It's kind of cool. Alright, I wanted to stop in real quick here at Hogwarts, but it looks like the ride is down.
Why'd you break Harry Potter, Mom? Why'd you break Harry Potter? Yeah, you broke Harry Potter. Why you break it? My mom broke Harry Potter, man.
Broke Harry Potter. That sounds like something my mom would do. Oh my God, check this out.
That's it, you see, she's still a wild animal. You've got to be careful of these things. Do you know anything about please? Clearly not, because if you did, you wouldn't have tried to pet it, would you? I think she's curious. Oh my word, you are very, very close. I think you're starting to annoy her, my darling.
We decided to go on the tram tour first. Loading right now.
Effects and many water effects. So yes, you may get wet. There are also sudden tram movements during the tour, so please secure your personal belongings. All right, everyone, that's the nitty-gritty out of the way.
Full track on already having fun.
And we are now rolling down the Universal timeline. I want you all to look to your left. Look to your right. Good, about half of you passed that test. Congratulations. And as you look to your right, you're going to see movie posters for just some of the thousands of movies.
Looks like they got a lot of steel there. Like they're going to build some kind of soundproofing wall.
So often we do
right
have a
here.
real
You see
emergency.
this? All this.
This is Hollywood, though, so they may be the only real thing we see on today's tour. As we continue down the timeline, we're going to be heading into the front lot.
This is where
The
it turns
front
around.
lot's primarily sound stages, large warehouse type, like where we're rolling right now was once 1955, 1985, and 2015, all for the same film franchise. And if you recognize those 3 years, you know I'm talking about Back to the Future. That's right. We are now in Courthouse Square. If you look over to your left, you can see the courthouse from Back to the Future and Back to the Future Part 2. But if you're a super fan of those movies, you might be looking at me and going, Elizabeth, that building doesn't look anything like the courthouse from Back to the Future or Back to the Future Part 2. And you'd be right. That's because we put a new front on the building, a new facade to make it less recognizable. Because most writers, producers, directors do not want you thinking about Doc Brown and Marty McFly while you're watching their brand new TV show or movie. Because there is still constantly filming going on here in Courthouse Square. Don't worry though, the original building is still behind there. We are never going to tear down the clock tower.
It's so funny. I've never done silent Jaws before. Here he comes. There he is. Oh!
They filmed the interior scenes inside of a soundstage. But after we started giving tours in 1964, we finished the house, and it looks like somebody may have moved in. I think that is Norman Bates, everyone, so be cool. Do not engage, all right? We want to make sure he stays on the porch. He seems kind of upset. No, do not wave at Norman, you fools. Oh my God, stop it. Car one, why are you doing this to me? See, this is what happens. Garrett, keep driving. I don't trust any of these people. Oh my goodness, I should have known with that Horror Nights t-shirt.
The highlight of that tram tour was most certainly going down to Hill Valley and the Silent Jaws experience. And it just so happens that they're both celebrating anniversaries. I think Jaws is 50 years and Back to the Future is 40. They're celebrating the release of the new Jurassic World Rebirth that opened this weekend. So there's a lot of extra curriculars here to promote. One being this. Also, we have Blue over here.
I think it's going well, but gotta get him back to that pack. So, thank you, my friends. You guys have a great time. Easy, girl.
But the real reason we're here is Jurassic World. It looks like they're testing it right now. There's a Triceratops over there. Check that out. Looks like the ride's back up, so we're heading into express access. 0 people in front of me. 0-minute wait.
At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry.
In the meantime, please.
That's new, that's new. It might be at the top. That's not right. Don't spray me, don't spray me. What's up, Lou? What's up, Lou? Oh my God. Mosasaurus? Oh my God. No. Please don't. That's the wettest I've ever got. My God, I'm moist on that one. I don't know if you can see this, but glasses are all sprayed up. Shirt's absolutely moist. And my shorts are also soaked. Luckily, my shoes are water resistant, but I've never been so wet on that ride in my life. Today's dining options. Maybe Jurassic Cafe. They do have a gluten-free burger here with a separate fryer for fries. Just above Jurassic World, there's this little upper-level seating area that I've never been in. So this is kind of a unique experience as far as first time to share with y'all. Having said that, nothing special from the Jurassic Cafe. We have all their fries are fried in a separate fryer if you're a gluten-free celiac sufferer, which I am, so bear with me. They gave out their last bun right before I got there, so we're going bunless. Just a basic cheeseburger. I don't typically go hamburger, cheeseburger with a fork. I'm not that kind of guy. I'll just pick it up with my hands and eat it. But for whatever reason today, we're going to do it this way. Nothing special here. Just a like processed frozen patty with cheese, a little ketchup. It's all part of the experience. The view is probably the best part of it. So there's the drop to Jurassic World, and over there is that part earlier that I was showing you of the tram. Those little beams and like cross patterns and whatever that are steel over there, that's going to be the wall that's going to soundproof that coaster for the valley on that end. Had a little bit of technical issues, but before we head out, Universal's mega movie Summer is just about out of time. Jaws has been a huge emphasis on this particular visit. It is the 50th anniversary. Yep, no problem. Today is the 50th anniversary of Jaws, so there's a tremendous amount of merch as you walk in. Loving the hat. A little Back to the Future section here for the 40th anniversary as well. Heading over to the Jurassic Park / World section. It is currently the premiere week of Jurassic World Rebirth, so there is a more than usual amount of new dinosaur merch here. This must be a new character for the movie. So far I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know what this means, but he looks pretty cute. What's the, what is it exactly? Looks like it's a interactive toy for $55. Take my money. Seems like there's a decent amount of new creatures for this movie. Can't ignore the ET section over here. Miss ET, be good. Gotta be good. Loved the Ride the Movies campaign as well. Love that they still have this. Still not gonna buy it. Tempted, although don't know if I'd ever wear it. That's probably for a chick. No, that's definitely for a chick, so I definitely won't wear it. But all right, into the Hogwarts section. Just a quick pass through. That's my squad right there, Team Hufflepuff. With the little ETs, this Easter egg. That's not supposed to be there. Made it to the end. Now it's back to reality. I gotta kind of cut out a little early because I have work. It's my only day off today, so we had some fun, like we do on this channel, but it's time to get back to the grind. I feel like I'd like to ask one thing for this video, and that is, if you like this video and you've made it at this point, if you could just give me a like or a comment, or it's not asking too much, maybe a subscribe, just to let me know that you care, that I'm on the right track, because it means a lot to me. And if not, that's cool too. No matter what, thanks for sticking with me on this particular journey at Universal Studios for Universal Mega Movie Summer, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.